If you want more space on your computer or laptop background, you can hide the Windows Taskbar when you're not using it. So in this video, we will show you exactly how to do that in the simple steps. So for the first method, in using Windows 11, all you have to do is open Settings, click Personalization, choose Taskbar, select Taskbar Behaviors, then check the box next to automatically hide the taskbar, and then the taskbar will disappear. Now once you hover your taskbar, it will show up for use. But if you're using Windows 10, you can still show or hide taskbar by right-clicking on the taskbar, click Taskbar Settings, then toggle on or off this setting. However, if this does not work and the taskbar does not hide, you might need to check for programs keeping the taskbar open. Now if a program is flashing in the taskbar, it won't close, and clicking the flashing program will switch the program and stop it from trying to notify you. Moreover, you'd also check on the icons on your system tray for any pending updates. So those are the different ways on how you can show or hide Windows Taskbar in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.